Hey guys, welcome back to Redbeard's Garage. Making another video for you guys, letting you know the outcome of the audio control module as in the previous video. I have some news, and I also have some other information that might be coming in another video for you guys on another tutorial. But for now, stay tuned and let's get to it so I can show you what we did and what you guys need to do. Alright guys, so here's the deal. I don't remember if you guys remember from the last video or not, but I was showing you guys the new module that I had pulled out of the junkyard. Well, it only has one audio connection on it, and if you do find one of these, it will work for your radio, but you will not have Sirius XM radio, and you will not have your center dash speaker if you do have one. So I highly recommend just looking for both of the plugs if you need the black and the yellow. And I'm going to get right to showing you guys that the radio works. And if you guys have the question of do you have to program this radio, you do not. Once you plug it in, everything works and you're good to go. Alright, as you guys can see, mine has the black and the yellow plug. And that yellow plug, if you guys are wondering, it is for your Sirius XM radio, and it is also for your dash speaker, which is I believe a tweeter or a subwoofer. Here we go. Sorry about the camera angle. And then it's also for your pillar speakers on driver and passenger side. Alright you guys, so here I'm going to show you that we do have audio and what we did to fix it, and how to start putting this back together, because there is a little bit different way on how you should be putting this back together. Because I know, let's say you have to let it sit for a couple days, it can be a little bit forgetful, and so here we go, let's get right to it. So here we go, we have AM, let's go to FM, there's our FM, let's go with Sirius, there we have Sirius. And that's about all there is to it, guys. I'll show you some stuff that you need to do to take the steps to put this back together the correct way. What you're going to want to do first is start with the center, because the reason for that is when you're putting back your start-stop button and the center piece is on the side here from the other video, because I do know that we started from this other side, is that if you put this back first on the dash with the cover, then you're not going to be able to get this piece on. So start from this side, tighten all the stuff on this side, on the passenger side, I'm sorry, and then just continue on with all of the center stuff here. And you're going to have to move your shifter again so you can get all that set in and correct, and then just work your way to the left, and then I will update you guys on the finished product when I'm all done, and then we'll move on, and then I'll probably have another video coming out soon with another tutorial for this vehicle. And until then, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, just wanted to update you and let you know that I got everything back together. Like I said, start with the center, work your way down, get all the bolts in for the center, come all the way back, put all those pieces in, and then make sure you put the bolts in for the air conditioning holes there, put your cover on there, work your way over here, make sure you get all the little bottom trim pieces in. This one was a little bit of a pain in the butt to put in. You kind of have to finagle it, but that's one of the second to last pieces that you're going to put in. Overall, it's a pretty simple task. Everything's finished and the radio works. Everything's good to go. So if you guys have any questions or concerns with this video, or I didn't cover anything, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to respond. And be sure you like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you on the next one.